Well, a challenging quarter for engineering conglomerate L&T to say the least. They have been seen an impact of the execution challenges, labor disruptions, supply chain disruptions that have really hurt the earnings in Q1. So while the revenues came above the 18-hour street estimates, it has been low by 29% on year, 21,260 crores. The profits have been well below street expectations, down 69% to 544 crore rupees. Margins have dwindled to 7.6% versus 10.3%, and that too has been much below street expectations. The halt in manufacturing construction activities, non-availability of labor, disruptions in the supply chain, all of this really seems to have impacted the quarterly earnings. They have bagged orders worth 23,574 crores, that's down 39% on year, and the consolidated order book stands at 3.05 lakh crores as on June 30th. The international revenues constitute about 45% of their total revenues. Now, if you look at their segmental growth, it's been disappointing across the board. Infrastructure down 53%, power revenues down 33%, heavy engineering down nearly 60%, defense engineering down 49%. So all of their segments have seen a double-digit decline except for IT and TS, and there's been a marginal decline in financial services. That's largely on the back of the restricted availability of labor, sites operating at suboptimal levels. For the defense segment, deferment of orders from the defense ministry, slow progress on construction hurt their hydrocarbon revenues, which have come in lower by 19%. IT saw a silver lining, and that's largely on the back of the consolidation of Mindtree and growth for L&T Infotech. Now, going forward, the management has said this has been a very unprecedented quarter, and the revenue has reflected the inability to work at their full force and the negative operating leverage. 65% of their orders from the infrastructure sector. They have undertaken a lot of cost control measures, and they've lost nearly 12,500 crore worth of orders due to the pandemic. They said that 85% of the company has hardly worked in these past few months, but despite that, they have seen revenues grow. When it comes to guidance, yet again, they refrain from declaring any guidance due to a very uncertain environment.